Hey friends, do you wish to reset the Task Manager to default? If yes, then the procedure is as follows. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Now press the Control key, Shift key and the Alt key together. I'll repeat the Control, Shift and Alt key together and then hit Task Manager. That is it. Task Manager will be reset to default. But if this doesn't work, then the second procedure is as follows. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and corresponding to Windows PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated PowerShell window. Now copy and paste this command. I'll share it in the description section of this video and paste it here and hit enter. That is it. This will be reset. The task manager will be reset. I hope this was helpful. If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.